How to edit photos with Gemini AI. First, open Google Gemini and sign in with your Google account. Click the plus icon, upload the image you want to edit, and simply describe the changes you want. For example, you can ask Gemini to remove the background, replace it with a new location, change clothes, add objects, remove unwanted people, improve image quality, or even turn your photo into a 3D cartoon. After typing your prompt, press Enter, and Gemini will generate the edited image within seconds. If you want to make more changes, just continue chatting with Gemini. You can ask it to improve the lighting, change colors, add effects, or make additional edits without uploading the image again. Once you're happy with the result, download the final image and use it for YouTube thumbnails, social media, presentations, or any other project. That's how easy it is to edit images using Google Gemini. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.